Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Gloria Uju. Today I'll be talking about Excel, working with Introduction to Excel and working on Excel ribbon. When you open a new Excel worksheet or a workbook, what do you see? First of all, you see what is called the status bar, and you also see the ribbons. Then you see your ribbons, then you also see your cells. Okay, now I'm going to be explaining what each of these are used for, and when you see this, what should come to your mind. First thing first is this: we have what is called a quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is here, which is always located at the topmost part of your Excel on the right hand side. This contains the save, which is this. It contains the undo and redo. It also contains some other features that the Excel that is not actually put in the ribbon, so I can easily quickly access them. For easy access of these features, you come to quick access toolbar. Then we'll have another one called the file. The file tab is always known as a back end where we customize our ribbons and also create. Okay, we also see other additional features of the Excel of this worksheet, all right, and of your system. Then you can also open a new Excel workbook and also save your work, print your work, share and export. All right, so on here, if I have other Excel workbook that I have worked on, I'm going to be saying it here. I can also open them from here. Okay, now the next thing we'll be talking about is this. Still on the right hand side of our quick access toolbar, you see a dialog that is facing up, the ribbon display option. This you can use to collapse. You can hide your ribbon. Are you seeing? Then in case you hide your ribbon, you come here. You can also show your tabs. Are you seeing? Then you can also show only tabs. This is only for only tabs, and this is for your tabs and your ribbon. Okay, now from your home tab to your view are called ribbon. Reason being is that each one of this ribbon contains different group. Like on this ribbon, home tab right now, and each one of them is called a tab, but group of the tabs are called ribbon. Okay, now for this tab right now, you can see we have clipboard group. Now this clipboard group contains our cuts, and also it contains our copy. It also contains our format painter. Okay, this is what the first group of the home tab contains. We also have the fonts. Now for you to see additional features of what each of the group contains, you click on this dialog. Okay, it's going to open a new other features that is not here but is still part of that group. Okay, once you're done using it, you click OK. Then we have the alignment. This is used to align your work either center, left or right, or even justify. Okay, now we also have what is called numbers. We have styles, we have cells, we have editing. Depending on which of the tab you click on, you'll be seeing various groups that have additional features that makes you work, that will help you work effectively on with the Excel spreadsheet. Now, Excel is made up of rows and columns. So each rows and column makes up a cell. So meaning that right now I'm in cell. I clicked any cell that you clicked is where it's being highlighted. That means anything you type there, you're going to be seeing it there. But you know that the actual wonderful features of Excel is actually good for majorly for calculations. All right, not for typing your documents. If you want to type your documents, you use your Word. So right now, this part is called our name box, and this is going to show you the number or which of the cell is active or is activated that is clicked on. If you look at this, under this name box, say you're seeing B2, meaning that I'm in column B and row 2. All right, let me move to another one. I'm in column C and row 4. Do you get? So this is called a name box. This is going to show you the name of the cell that is active. All right, and this is called the formula bar. Okay, this is called this is called the Excel function. Like if you want to run any calculation, maybe you put equal to, it gets activated. So equal to what? Let's say I want to do this. Okay, plus this. Oh, sorry, please. Plus. Okay, so let's go on. Now, after this, you can see that Excel contains so many numerous cell and no, no, as in large amounts of rows and columns. For you to know, you can actually have a huge lot of data and keep going down with it. Now, my first sheet that is actually active right now is A1, which is on cell A, on column A and row 1. So let's see how many number of rows, columns that we have in Excel. Control arrow shift down. It's going to, you see, we have about millions of rows, okay? About 1 millions of rows that we can actually insert our data. So let's see how many columns. Like, do we have a limit? I don't think so. Reason being this, you can see that even at the point to end at A to X, we still have X, okay, to every. So that means we can have a huge amount of files of data in Excel. So let me go back to where I am. Arrow shift up and arrow right click. So it takes me back to where I am. So this is one or more than one. These are the features or the things you actually need to know about Excel. First thing first. Now, when you're done with this sheet, you can actually open another sheet. Okay, that means this is a different sheet right now. You can also still link data on this sheet to this other sheet to continue your calculations. Okay, so that is all I think I have for you today. So the next time we'll continue working on other additional features of Excel. Thank you. Bye. If this video is quite helpful, please like and click on the notification bell and also leave your comments. See you next time when I come online. Thank you.